ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your time to see my video. In my video today, I will show you how to reduce that recoil problem. When you have play this game, I think this is most familiar game, but the problem is when you're going to try to shoot better, that is really have not good to shoot, so really have also have a problem to shoot because the big problem is recoil. The famous gun in this game, I think the famous gun, also player use this gun. That gun is M416. You can look this M416. That is beautiful gun. But when you also use this gun, keep that recoil keep is a big problem in this gun. Today I will show you how to reduce that recoil. Okay, don't forget, when you have used this gun, I recommended you to use to use half grip or vertical for grip. Okay, like that. Don't forget to use tactical stock. You need that to reduce that recoil. After that, you need to, I recommended you to take this compensator ER. Okay, compensator ER, and also you need this one, quick draw mag. Okay, quick draw mag. Okay, when we going have this one, we also keep have a problem. The problem is recoil problem. Okay, today I will show you how to reduce that recoil with this one. Okay, when you use this gun, the familiar scope you will use is scope number 6, number 3, and also you will 6 red dot, right? That is so really compatible with this gun. That is a good scope for this gun. Okay, so when you have keep a problem, with recoil, after you have this all of complete with this gun, that is compensator or half grip or mag, quick draw or stock, you have a problem with recoil. The last way to reduce that recoil is this: going to setting, go to sensitivity, and scroll down, choice that adds sensitivity. When you're going to use scope number 3, you must increase that sensitivity in 26. When you going to use red dot, holographic or something like that, you need to increase that sensitivity in 53. And when you use that scope number 6, you will increase that person in 24%. You increase in 24% and in scope number 4, you increase in, I suggest to you and recommended you to increase in 24%. And scope number 3 is 27. 27. No. I'm sorry. Bad English. 70%. Okay. When you have a setting like this, you can feel with a better shooting. Reduce that recoil will be reduced. That recoil is not problem again. Okay, we can. Okay, today this time we will try. Okay, this is scope number 6. We try scope number 6. Okay, scope number 6. Okay, this is scope number 6. Okay, this is scope number 6. Not bad, very good. This is scope number 6. Okay. Okay, not bad. How about scope number 3? Okay. Scope number 3. Okay, I suggest to you to change your for grip. I choose vertical for grip because this gun with promotes with vertical recoil, so you must use that for grip. Okay, it's better, I think. It's better. Okay, nice. Nice. What about red dot? We use red dot now. Okay. In red dot, we're going to battle in 25 meter, 20 meter with stable recoil. And this is, I think this is stable. You can see this. This is stable recoil. Okay. This is good recoil, I think. That is different because I'm already changed that sensitivity and I feel better, and I have a good shoot again with this sensitivity. I recommended you to try what I do. I think this is can make your shoot is better and make your game is good. Okay guys, this is all for me. Thank you for watching my video. May this video can help you how to fix that recoil. Okay, this is only last way to fix that recoil. Okay, see you again in next video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you feel this video is help to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video and watch until the end. Thank you very much. May God bless you.